quit. No, I ain't gon' stop. I'ma keep rolling till the wheels fall off. I come from the hood, where they jug in the streets, and they holding they peace, praying for keys. No, I ain't gon' quit. No, I ain't gon' stop. I'ma keep rolling till the wheels fall off. I come from the hood, where they jug in the streets, and they holding they peace, praying for keys. Mama told me to never quit. Make sure you put your all in it.
When that shit gets old, maybe it never gets old, and that's just how it goes. Last table left in carbone, calling plays on a rotary phone. I take a glass of Domina to go with me home. Might move our annual shit to the dome.
What's good, man? This junk crazy, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Out here in the snow. Man, stuck in this snowstorm. We still pushing it though, taking our time. It's wild, man. Whatever you do, take your time, man. Be careful out here on these roads and these trucks. They ain't no joke. I ain't seen all kind of crazy shit already. So everybody be safe, man. Real ride. On the go, man. Push it down.
Tell me about it. Nowadays, when we catching up, we just laugh about it.
Man, I've been out of the snow for 2 years. I'm out here like I ain't grow up in Flint, Michigan for 29 years. I'm 31 now, man. I'm out here freezing. I'm acting like I can't even take it. I need to get my shit together. Yeah, man. Hey, I don't miss the snow at all. I just don't. I do not miss the snow. It's beautiful from inside your house looking out the window. But other than that, shoot. I say shoot. Nigga, push the damn button, man. Surprise.
To do you in the truest sense. Especially people that wanna lecture me and frame it like they just want the best for me, or they check for me. Whatever, splits it up so there's more for them and there's less for me. Down
YouTube, man. This shit is crazy, man. We in Evansville, Indiana. Check it out, man. Y'all see this? We on somebody's yard, man. Yard dogs out here. They see we stuck. It's ice everywhere. What I don't understand is if you're dealing with truck drivers, semi trucks on the daily, throughout the day, back and forth, it's a winter storm. Why wouldn't your whole lot be salted? Why wouldn't y'all be putting stuff down throughout the whole day to make sure that these trucks and company drop off and get their product off? This y'all money too. Like, I don't understand this. So I'm gonna need you yard dogs and you companies, these drop lots or whatever it may be, or big corporations, to get y'all shit together, man. Y'all want y'all product moved, man. Sort y'all lots, man. We out here stuck and motherfuckers looking like we supposed to pick the truck up or something. No, yard dog or something. We finna drop this boy right here. They better get their shit together, man. But anyway, it's your boy Leo Rob, man. On the go in this winter storm in Indiana, man. We gonna take it easy. Push the button. Push the damn button. It's Leo Rob on the go. Like and subscribe. Push the button. Push the damn button.